What is that? We're slow. Please move. Kung kailan nagpakabit tayo ng tail tidy, umulan. Nakaputi pa naman ako. Mic check. We have a schedule today. Good morning, chat. We have some accessories to put on my baby right now. So we're gonna get some new clutch levers and also a brake lever. It's traffic right now. We're also getting a tail tidy. My friends already warned me, like, you should prepare because you're gonna suffer a lot from water gushing on your like back seat or something. Well, the schedule was supposed to be 10 a.m. Right now it's 11 a.m. so I'm like 1 hour late. Yeah, if you're thinking oh sorry, voice crack. If you're thinking like, why am I boss, that's one massive whale, my god. Right, if you're thinking like, why am I getting new levers? Because these levers are actually oh, what the fuck is that sound? These levers are actually aftermarkets, and the problem with them is the one on my right, the brake lever, right, the bolt detached and like the little metal part here, over here, like disappeared. It fell on the street or something. So what I did after that happened, like, I removed the bolt from the other side too, so it would look even. So that's why I bought new levers. So that's why the new levers that I just ordered they don't have a bolt on them. So it's like, I'm guaranteed kinda that it won't fall off. I think it fell off because of like the vibrations. Two cylinders are well known for their vibrations, I'm just saying. So that's why I'm like getting new levers. That's basically it. Oh, what is that? It's BMW? Sorry, I got distracted. I don't know, what was that? BMW? Cruiser? Harley? Oh yeah, the tail tidy? That's more of a personal choice. It's kind of subjective, but I just don't like the way it looks like it's blocking the wheel. You know, I like seeing the wheel raw. You know, raw. Oh my god, we're stopping. I like seeing the wheel raw, you know. Right, we're in neutral. We're moving. We're slow. Please move. My hand hurts. Please. I'm suffering. Also, today is my second maintenance. It's supposed to be like 6,000 kilometers, or also known as like the 6th month. But I don't really ride that much, so it's only at 2,456 kilometers. But I still need to go through the maintenance. It's the 6th month of owning the bike. I'm sorry if I don't know what I'm saying, because sometimes I lose track of like what I'm saying. I'm not really used to speaking. Right, we're at a traffic stop. I don't know what time is it. This clock don't work. Wait. We are 1 hour 50 minutes late for our maintenance. Super late. Because I'm so tired on Friday. Like my entire body hurts. So I didn't really wanna go to school. Yeah, I was absent. I'm a bad kid. Hell yeah. 15 seconds. So while we're gonna be doing the maintenance, we're also gonna sit on some bikes if we can. Hello, Wheeltek. Tsaka nung isang araw po, isang week, nag-downshift po siya mag-isa. Downshift po siya mag-isa. Baka sa levers po.
Lambot masyado. Masyadong dikit yun sa sit-up po ng clutch mo.
Kaya po nag-downshift mag-isa. So we're gonna do a take 2 because nakalimutan ko tanggalin yung lens kanina. So we're gonna sit on the bikes again. Sana payagan naman tayo. This is the Z900 4-cylinder 900cc naked bike. This is the 2025 model. This is the old model. Okay, this has all the new features on it, including cruise control. Well, the old one doesn't. And this bike is pretty heavy, if I'm being honest. I'm 5'6", and I'm tiptoe on this thing. But I could grasp like my tippy toes. This is the Z900, the old model also. This is the ZX4 2024 model, if I am correct. 2023, 2024. There's no major changes in looks. There's no major changes in tech. The ZX4 still stands as its signature 4-cylinder with a lot of tech from Kawasaki. 4-cylinders tend to weigh a lot, roughly about 200 kilograms. It's a fair reason. The ZX4 has a upright position compared to the ZX6. On the ZX6, you will be lunged forward on its handlebars, while this one, it's kind of average. It is a bit leaned forward, but not that much. It's quite comfy. It's a good bike, but I don't know about its fuel consumption. But it's a good beginner bike, 400cc inline-4 with almost how many horsepower? 78 horsepower. I'm not sure, but this bike is pretty good. Pretty good bike. This is the ZX6R 2024 model. 2022 is a bit different than the 2024. 2022 has a more sharper look. This one has a new look to it, which has the headlights a bit smaller than the old one. This bike is 636 cc's, 4-cylinder, 124 horsepower. It's harder to reach than the ZX4. That's why I'm saying like the ZX4 is a better high-end type of beginner bike, but it is quite expensive. The price of 400, almost 500k. This one, 700k, offers quite a lot of power. With the inline-4 sound, it doesn't have cruise control, and this is still a cable throttle. So I am 5'6". I can still grasp the ground comfortably. It does feel kind of light. It's 636cc, 100 horsepower. This thing will send you flying. Yes na tayo guys. So, nakabit na yung levers. Nakabit na rin yung tail tidy. Kain muna tayo. I just saw some poop. So it rained. So sakto pa ano kung kailan nagpakabit tayo ng tail tidy, umulan. Sasabihin ko hindi ako natatalsikan, meron pala. Omega is masculine. So guys, that's gonna be it. I don't know how much I clipped today. I don't know how much content I got, but today we just basically attached some new accessories and we sat on some bikes. We did our second maintenance, and right now we're going home from my grandmama. It's pretty traffic at this time. So yeah, that's basically the entire video. I don't know how long it will be, 8 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. But for the next video, I'll be doing a review on the ownership for the Z500. Is it gonna be one of the best bigger bikes? I'm gonna be sharing my opinion. Bro, my back. Oh my god. Yeah, for the next video, we'll be doing a half a year ownership review for the Z500 standard. I'm gonna show some of the accessories and quite possibly the cost. Traffic right now is immaculate.